Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Jacob Games, and today we're going to be doing a vehicle simulator video, because I want to grind to get the Tesla Roadster 2.0, and I only have 204,000, so I'm going to be trying to grind and grind and grind to get $12 million. So, what we're going to have to do first is just do lots of races. Lots and lots of races. They gave us lots of money. First, I'm going to do this. What is this guy, the Tesla? What? I'm very confused how he just did that. What is insanity allowed? Okay, if insanity's allowed, then I'm gonna do that. How the hell was he doing going so fast? Yeah, I'm very confused. He has to have insanity. How? He must be using insanity. There's no way. He's gonna join again. Oh my god. Oh, alright, we cannot go. Of course it won't let me spell. But the Egoista cannot go that fast. It's like clearly impossible for that car to go fast in this game. I'm actually so confused. Oh my god, bro. Like, he's not even using any boost. Yep, he's hacking, bro. There's no way he's hacking. He's hacking. No way. Yep. He's definitely hacking now. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about that, bro. They're hacking and not. Or there must be some kind of glitch, because that I don't know. I'm just gonna go do the best farming method, is going around the highway. Bruh. Really? Yeah, get your lame GTR out of here. Oh my god. I'm just gonna keep going around and going around. Oh! I do it. Nah, man. I'm gonna be going way too fast. Holy. Oh! Alright. I think they took the glitch out. I'm freaking stuck. Okay, we're at least 260. 260 grand. Alright, so we make around 5,000 or 6,000 every loop. So, to get to 12 million, we have to do the math of that one. 6,000 times 50. 300,000. If I go around that thing, if I go around the loop 50 times, it's 300,000. If I go around the loop 200 times, it's a million. 2,000 times, Oh my god. I gotta go around that thing 2,000 times to get to 12 million. So guys, I'll be here for a long time. But it's worth it. I want that Tesla. Let's do it. Alright, let's calculate. We're gonna go back to the front, and then we're gonna see how much I get. So I'll see you at the front. So we're back at the front, and I was just going to see, as I said earlier, oh god, I can't talk. As we're gonna see how much we're gonna get when we go around once, then twice, then 3 times. So that's gonna equal just a little bit over 15,000. So let's see. Go. Oh my. Alright, we earned 1,000 so far. 2,000. Oh crap. We're at like 3,000 right now. We're doing 4,000. 5,000. We've earned $7,000 every single time. So let me do that math now. $7,000 times 200. 14 million. 1,100. Alright, we have to go around that loop 1,715 times. Boom! Holy shoot. Hey, let's do the loop. Alright guys, so this is going to be it for this video. So make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'll just keep grinding on this game. It's gonna be hard because it's gonna take 1,715 times. It's actually gonna take so long, but it's worth it probably. It's probably going to be worth it for the Tesla. It's faster on the game. So, yep. See ya, and I will be doing another grinding video probably tomorrow. Peace.